So as a counselor, some of the challenges or issues that come my way on a daily basis are students struggling in some of the competences or the programs they are doing. Especially we have some of our special needs students who really struggle a lot. And so since the tutoring services was introduced at VAC, it really helped the students immensely, thereby reducing their stress and anxiety levels. So with the tutoring services, we had about 3 or 4 tutors that the director hired. And so normally we have different competences, different programs. So we had one for plumbing and heating, we had one for computing support, and we had one for general building and maintenance. So oftentimes students who are struggling in class and don't understand any model or competence, we have one of the teachers they send an email to, and the teachers then refer the students or connect the students with the tutor in charge, and then they meet sometimes lunchtime or after school, and then they help the students out.